Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications specifically from the WhatsApp application on this watch. So basically, if you want to receive the WhatsApp notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the WhatsApp notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zap application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. On the profile page, you should see Amazfit Bip S Lite on the list of my devices. So tap on it to select it. On this page, you should see the option called App Alerts. Let's wait until the watch is done syncing with the phone. And once it's done syncing, you'll be able to tap on the App Alerts option. If you don't see it right here, you can always tap on More option to open the whole notifications and reminder menu. Now find the App Alerts, tap on it, and here, if you don't have required permissions allowed on your phone, you will see this message on the screen. Tap on it, tap on OK. It will redirect you to this page. Now find the Zap application on the list of applications, tap on it, tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, and then go back to the Zap application. And now you'll be able to enable the app notifications. And after you enable the app notifications, you will see the list of apps. Right here, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. This is the list of applications installed on your phone. Now find the WhatsApp application. And once you find it, tap on the switch next to it to enable the notifications for it. Okay, so once you have the notifications enabled for WhatsApp, you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications from WhatsApp on your watch. So I'm gonna write myself a message on WhatsApp. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications from WhatsApp application on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.